Okay, this is on. Bro, my urge to yell clear prop out the window like this is a plane is like sky high.
This car, you don't need the brake. You can just clutch in and start it.
Oh, okay. Cool. Brake in and brake out.
And then, yeah, just keep your clutch all the way in. And then first, yep. And then just slowly release off of it. You'll feel the car start to kind of roll. And then you'll just give it a little bit of gas. Oh, gas.
I forgot to like get off the brake first.
All right. Now you can start it.
All right.
So yeah. You're in neutral.
Oh.
You're good. Yep.
Okay.
And now slowly off the clutch. Give it a little bit of gas.
Oh.
It's pretty sensitive.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh shoot.
A little too fast off the end, but you're good. And now you don't need the clutch at all right now. You can just keep a little bit of gas.
What is
and then just go left.
I don't even know what's on the ground.
Go left. And then if you want to come to a complete stop, clutch all the way in. Put the brake on and then put it in neutral.
Okay, stopping is easier.
Yeah, and then you can take your foot off the clutch.
All right.
And you're totally fine. Only took you one try. That's not bad.
Dude, I thought I was about to stall, but then a second time. But yeah. All right, let's.
Oh, here, his foot on the clutch.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
This is a manual.
Yeah. Oh, not enough gas. Gear. More gas. There you go.
Oh.
Now you can come completely off the clutch. And then, so second gear in this car, if you want to go second, when you're releasing the clutch, kind of hold it at the bite point while giving it the gas, and then you can completely release off of it when it catches. So go here, and then clutch all the way in. Second, slowly off the clutch. Yep, perfect.
Oh shoot.
Now you're in second, and then we're going a little slower, so you can just clutch in and go neutral and stop. Bang, and you already shifted in a second. Now you're neutral, so you're fine.
Nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Keep forgetting to clutch in.
Yeah.
It's almost like I've never driven a manual before. All right.
Nice.
Or it doesn't stall as or actually I'll stop the car first.
Yeah, you're clutching. And then go to neutral. Perfect. You can't really stall it while you're moving, like driving. If you were going like uphill, because the car rolls back because of gravity and everything, and I don't have hill assist on this car, you have to give it more gas. So if you don't give it enough gas on a hill, it'll stall. But going downhill, it has the momentum to go down already, so it kind of just grabs easier.
Oh yeah, like I realized right now it's sloping down a bit, so
yeah,
wasn't as bad here compared to like.
Yeah, over there it was rolling back a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Saved it. You can just pop the e-brake up, and you can take everything off, all your feet off the pedals, and you're good.
Or you go if I try around one more time and then we'll head back.
Clutch in, first gear. Not gas.
the gas in this thing's pretty sensitive.
Yeah. When I thought my clutch was slipping, I was giving it like almost half throttle for it to bite.
Yeah, no, it's even more sensitive than the like GT350, honestly. Which is crazy because I've heard like those things are known for being a little sensitive like that.
My friend's WRX's gas, like you could feather it and it like revs to like 2K. I'm like, damn. It's really sensitive. It's way more sensitive than this.
Stop us on the street.
Clutch in, neutral, perfect.
Cool.
Foot off the clutch, you brake up, foot off the brake, and you're good.
Nice.
You're pretty good for
Thanks.
first time.
Yeah.
Better than most of my friends. They can't even like get going.
Dude, or it feels so weird like getting going, but then once you like know what to look out for.
Once you're moving, shifting's a lot easier. It's just knowing like the placement of the gears because some transmissions are different. But this one's pretty notchy, so it'll like guide you into the next gear pretty easily.
Oh yeah, and then like the first couple, like you could feel where the bite point is because like you notice when it starts to like.
You can kind of feel it in your foot, or you can kind of hear it click into gear. But other than that, the clutch on this car is super easy. It's really soft.
Oh yeah.
It's a really easy car to learn on for a first time for sure. But
it was honestly interesting and kind of satisfying to drive a manual for the first time. I already knew how manuals worked. My only thing was I hadn't driven one yet, so finally getting the chance to try one, I actually got to feel how everything worked in there. It's just like aviation or anything in life really, where you can talk about something all you want and you can like talk about the experience, but you won't actually know what it's like until you do it for real yourself, and finally got to that point. So now that I've unlocked the manual line in this game of real life Forza, there could be some cars next. We'll have to see about that.
BMW meme just pulled up.
Anyways, just stay tuned. I'll see you in the skies, guys.
Typical Taco Bell activities.